Lordship, I may be permitted to make an unlisted motion for anticipatory bail application. I have filed this morning at 10, Lordship. I have informed the PP also.
Let it come up tomorrow.
Lordship,
What's the urgency?
I have difficulties tomorrow. I have to attend CPI court tomorrow, down in Dimapur. And there is extreme apprehension of arrest because anticipatory bail, which was earlier granted to him by the trial court, by the court below, was cancelled, Lordship. Despite him fulfilling all the conditions which was imposed upon him. He has appeared before the IO also on 2 or 3 occasions. He has never missed.
Okay, let's see.
My lord.
Yes.
Ladyship, I beg to mention items 2 and 3. Here I am for the respondents. Ladyship, if the matter can come up after 3 weeks, the principal counsels are out of station attending district court. So,
Are you filing objections in the IAS? Or this?
we've already filed, but we will be submitting the copies to the opposite party.
Okay. Learned Counsel, Mr. Nongsa, who appears for the respondent. This is item 2, okay? Appears for the respondent on behalf, you're mentioning on behalf of MT Wapang?
Yes.
But you're also there, isn't it?
Yes, Ladyship.
And praise that the matter may be taken up after
3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, as the leading counsel is out of station. Stop. Learned Counsel for the appellant, and Mr. Medovero is present. List and has no objection. List after 3 weeks. Yes. And 3 also, same order.
I have not received a copy yet. Yes, I'll be.
Have you also received copy? Okay. In item 3, the appellant is represented by Mr. Takakichu.
My lord.
Okay. And then in both the orders, you say the Learned Counsel for the respondent shall supply copies of the objections to the appellants during the course of the day, or
Within a week.
within a week. Yes.
For admission, item number 1.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, this is a contempt petition. The order was passed on the 12th November 2024, page 10.
You were supposed to file implead new incumbent. That
Yes.
is not
I have filed the amended parties, memo
amended
parties.
petition filed, and notice also served on the new incumbent.
For the new incumbent, notice yet to be issued.
Respondent number 5.
Yes.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Moal Jama, is present. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner has filed the amended cause title, completing the. Who is the new respondent? 4.
Five. In the amended memo parties.
Where is that amended memo? Oh, okay, yes. And has filed the amended cause title. Stop. Accordingly, issue notice on the newly impleted respondent number 5, returnable within 3 weeks. Stop. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service on the newly impleted respondent number 5 by speed post document as well as usual process within 3 working days. Stop. Learned Counsel, Mr. V. Jimomi appears for respondent number 4, and Ms.
Respondent number 2.
Respondent number
3, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 3. Stop. Have you filed your affidavits? No. Not yet. The Learned Counsels for the respondent also seeks time for the other respondents also seek time for filing the affidavits. So prayers allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Lordship,
You take steps also.
Lordship, in regard to this matter, we have filed an appeal and it's still pending.
There's no stay in the appeal, Lordship.
Okay, we'll see. Anyway, you file your affidavit. Yes. You call me when the matter is ready.
Now, in paragraph 3, my lord, that having agreed to my request, I give my full assurance that I will arrange rupees so and so within 6 months from today and repay them back, and for which my brother, who is an accountant at so and so's department, has agreed to be my guarantor in case of my failure, and the GPs of so and so village as the witnesses. Now, as my lord can see,
This was signed on?
11th of October, yes, first line of the agreement, the top of the page, lordship.
Okay.
Now that 6 months is yet to lapse, lordship. Now, this, I believe, was filed by the, FIR was filed in order to exert pressure on the applicant, lordship. Now, after that, anticipated bail application was made before the Principal District and Sessions Judge, Dimapur, lordship. And that was partially allowed by giving him at interim bail. The order I have annexed at page 23, annexure E, lordship, yes. Accordingly, the accused is granted interim relief till next date, with the condition to appear before the IO within 1 week. Now, this condition, lordship, I have fulfilled. And at page 27, lordship, annexure G, this is important.
Yes.
I may be allowed to read a single paragraph, lordship.
Okay.
Heard both the counsels and also considered the submission forwarded by the counsels, and as per the report from the IO, the accused has been evading arrest since September 2024, and only upon granting interim relief from this court, the accused have appeared before the IO. That means the accused have appeared, lordship. On 2 occasions he was called, and on both occasions he appeared, lordship. As per the declaration cum agreement submitted by the learned defense counsel, the complainant and accused have entered into an agreement to repay the loan within a period of 6 months with effect from 11/10/2025. I have also considered the fact that the accused is a government servant. However, he is presently under suspension on account of non-attendance of his official duties. Hence, upon considering the conduct of the accused person as a public servant as well as an accused being implicated in the instant case, it does not justify regularizing the interim pre-arrest bail granted to the accused person. Hence, the instant application is hereby dismissed. Now, my lord, the law laid down in Sushila Agrawal by 5 judges bench of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Let's see the FIR.
The FIR is at annexure C, lordship, page 19. The accusation is that, lordship, he has sold his plot of land, lordship, and building to multiple buyers for varying amounts, for different amounts, lordship.
Fraud, criminal breach of trust and cheating. You are a government employee.
Yes, I am a government employee.
Posted where?
Posted, earlier I was posted in Dimapur. Now I am posted in Kohima. Now, the department is also willing to take me back, lordship. I am on the verge of retirement. Only 1 year and few months remains. But because of the existence of this, I have been also instructed by my higher ups to.
Okay, please write. This present application under section 482 of the BNSS has been filed by the petitioner / accused praying for granting anticipatory bail to the applicant in connection with GR 489/2024 arising out of Tipupar PS case number 57/2024 under section 406/420 IPC. Stop. Heard learned counsel for the applicant Sri Sintiyangar. Stop. It is submitted that an FIR was lodged against the petitioner at the Tipupar police station
On
by
23rd July.
FIR dated 23/7/2024. Stop. Thereafter, the applicant preferred an application for pre-arrest bail before the court of the Sessions Judge, Principal Sessions Judge Dimapur, vide IA number 497/2025. And by an order dated 21/8/2025, the learned court below granted ad interim bail to the applicant and fixed the same for hearing on 29/9/2025. Stop. Thereafter, as directed by the court, the applicant appeared before the investigating officer and recorded his statement. Stop. However, the learned counsel submits that by an order dated 17/11/2025, the principal sessions judge Dimapur refused to regularize the interim pre-arrest bail granted to the applicant, and the application for pre-arrest bail was dismissed, and the bail bond executed was cancelled. Stop. Para. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is apprehension of arrest as the FIR, as the investigation process is still ongoing, and therefore he has approached this court through this application. Stop. Para. Issue notice returnable within 1 week. Within 1 week, can you produce?
Lordship.
Issue notice returnable within, or we can give a fixed date. Returnable by, today is 19th. so
4th of December, my lord.
27th.
27th.
It's okay, 4th also, yes. On 4th December 2025. Stop. On which date the learned public prosecutor shall produce the scanned copies of the case diary. Stop. Para. Till the next returnable date, the applicant shall be released on execution of bail bond for rupees 30,000 in the event of arrest, to the satisfaction of the arresting authority. So the petitioner / applicant shall also continue to cooperate with the investigation and appear before the investigating authority as and when summoned. Acha, after this, have you been summoned again by the IO?
No, I have been summoned twice also I have went. And even if the IO summons me now also, I am willing to go, but just for the apprehension of arrest, Lordship.
And your statements, everything recorded.
Yes, Lordship. And Lordship, the cancellation, the dismissal occurred only day before yesterday. So after that, I have not been
Okay.
summoned. Yes.
So as and when summoned, na? As and when summoned by the investigating officer. So list on such and such 4th December as 4th December for hearing. Yes.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Good on. Finish.